Hi Anand, good morning.
Mama, good morning.
Okay, last time I covered the topics. These are the topics, right? Last time, what is data? What is information? So, what is metadata? SQL అంటే ఏంటి? DBMS, RDMS, comments, okay? ఇందులో కమెంట్స్ చాలా చెప్పుకున్నాం, ఓకేనా? అండ్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ డేటాబేస్, ఇందులో ఈ డేటాబేస్ టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ అని చెప్పాము. సో నియర్లీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్లు అన్ని 380 ఉంటాయని చెప్పాము, ఓకే? ఆ తర్వాత ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తారని చెప్పాము, ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ వరకు చెప్పేసాం. సో లాస్ట్ టైం మన వీడియోస్ మీకు సో మోస్ట్లీ వీడియోస్ అన్ని నా లింక్ వాట్సాప్ నది యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఉంది, ఐ విల్ సెండ్ యూ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. దాన్ని అందులో మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇఫ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అని. అండ్ ఆల్సో I will tell you basics again. I will show the JPG format which I created last time. Now I'm going to drive. In the drive it will use, I'm going to this one. Here SQL, SQL. Yeah, these are the SQL files. Okay. Now these are the SQL files which I created last time. And I'm going to. Okay. So this is the first which we are taking the record, right? Now I'm taking the record. Record means table. In the table, so here I'm going to, this is the title or metadata, right? So you can call as, this is the title or metadata. So coming to here you can call as column or attribute field. Just like we can call as this line belongs to a column or attribute or field. So ela mana pilustam, okay? Then coming to row self. So row self we can call as a row, okay? Record tuple, right? Coming to here, this is the cell data item column value. You can call, so in the SQL Oracle you can call data and column field like that, data field, data item, cell you can call. Okay, coming to Excel sheet you can call cell only. Okay, so coming to that tableau, we are called as a data view. Okay, data view, row self, column self, like that you can call. So this is the entire table. In the entire table you can call as a object entity relation. Okay, these are the most important for the reports. In the report, what are the columns available, what are the rows available, what is the cells, so and what is the primary key. So primary key is the unique value. Okay, unique value means you can give the unique value means you can't change. If you give the unique value, suppose I'm giving the here 10. Okay, again you are not giving the 10 because already I applied the primary key. So primary key is act as a permanent. It is a permanent. So no one give the another 10 or 11, whatever it is. Okay, so ప్రైమరీ కీ అనేది ఒకసారి అసైన్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ దానికి ఒక మనం సేమ్ నెంబర్ అనేది ఇవ్వలేము. సో ఈక్వల్లీ అసైన్ ద వాల్యూస్ అని. ఇప్పుడు లక్ష్మణ్ అన్నాడు, సో లక్ష్మణ్కి పాన్ నెంబర్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, సో ఆ పాన్ నెంబర్ అనేది యూనిక్, అదే నెంబర్ ఒక్కొక్కరికి రాదు. Just you can apply, just you can imaginary that is called as a primary. Okay, now this is the image. You can see what previous class what I am saying here. Please remember this one. Okay, now I'm going to second slide. So in the second slide, so these are the SQL comment type. Okay, DQL, DDL, DML, DCL, TCL. So data query language, data definition language, data manipulation language, data control language, okay, TCL, transaction control language. Here this is the 100% important. Every time మనం యూజ్ చేసే కమాండ్ ఏంటి? సో you are using every time using this is the command select statement. Then so suppose you are Tableau developer. Okay, you are Tableau developer. So then we can get data from the database to yourself. Okay, means yourself means, okay, again I said you. So this you are the, so you are Tableau developer, right? Okay, so you are Tableau developer. So this is the database. Okay, a data warehouse. Okay, I feel data warehouse. Okay, Rajesh has a data warehouse administrator. Okay, the administrator. Okay, so మీరు Tableau developer కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తారు? You can get data from the data warehouse. this is the data warehouse or server. You can call as different names, servers. Okay, DBMS server. Okay, or data warehouse. Data warehouse you can store into the multiple records into the server side. Okay, okay. So ఇక్కడ అన్ని డేటా స్టోర్లు ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, డేటాబేస్లు ఉన్నాయి, రిపోర్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఆల్ ద రిపోర్ట్స్, ఆల్ ద ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ యువర్ కంపెనీ, దాని డీటెయిల్స్ అని యూ కెన్ స్టోర్ ఇన్ ద డేటా వేర్హౌస్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీరు డేటాను గెట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు. సో ఎందులోకి, సో ట్యాబ్లోకి గెట్ చేయాలి. దెన్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ బిట్వీన్ క్వరీ బిట్వీన్ DB అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, డేటాబేస్. సో దట్ డేటాబేస్ ఈస్ దట్ డేటాబేస్ ఈస్ SQL. నౌ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ SQL. ఓకే, రైట్. సో ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను, ఇటువంటి సాఫ్ట్వేర్లలో 300 వరకు ఉన్నట్టు అని చెప్పాము. ఇందులో వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ పాపులర్ ఏంటంటే SQL. ఓకే, SQL, పైథాన్, తర్వాత Oracle. సో డిఫరెంట్ SQL లోనే మల్టిపుల్ డేటాబేస్ ఉంటాయి. సో నౌ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ mysql ఇక్కడ. సో mysql సాఫ్ట్వేర్ యూజ్ చేసి దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ డేటా ఫ్రమ్ టు Tableau desktop. Then we are using that query is select statement. Select. Suppose here again I'm going to create this one. Okay. Suppose here this is the data warehouse. So we are stored in the some file. This is the customer file, right? Just imagine. Okay, customer file. Okay. Now you are Tableau developer. I'm taking data from data warehouse. Okay. Come into data warehouse this column. Now I am using DB is mysql, right? mysql అనేది సాఫ్ట్వేర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద mysql. సో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, సో ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి డేటా ఈ కస్టమర్ టేబుల్ తీసుకోవాలంటే సో వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ద mysql. ఇన్ ద mysql you have to type the SQL, I mean SQL DQL statement. Okay, now I'm taking select. Okay, select star from customer. Then ఇందులో ఉన్న ఈ కస్టమర్ టేబుల్లో ఉన్న ఆల్ ద ఫీల్డ్స్, డేటా ఫీల్డ్స్ అని ఇట్ విల్ డిస్ప్లే టు ద, జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ క్వరీ రాస్తాం అనమాట. జస్ట్ యూఆర్ రైటింగ్ క్వరీ ఎరర్స్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ క్వరీ రాస్తాం. సో క్వరీ రాయగానే ఈ కస్టమర్ టేబుల్ అనేది మీ ట్యాబ్లో డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది, ట్యాబ్లో కంప్యూటర్లో డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ద క్వరీస్. ఓకే, లైక్ వైజ్ దిస్ యాజ్ అ DTL క్వరీ, క్రియేట్, డ్రాప్, ఆల్టర్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ETL టీమ్ వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ చేస్తారు. సో డెవలపర్స్ అంటే SQL డెవలపర్స్ ఎక్కువ చేస్తుంటారు. ఓకే, అండ్ DML క్వరీ, ఇన్సర్ట్, డిలీట్, అప్డేట్, గ్రాండ్, రివోక్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద సమ్ కమాండ్స్. ఆల్రెడీ వి డిస్కస్ లాస్ట్ టైం వీడియోస్. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ చెక్ ద లాస్ట్ టైం వీడియోస్. ఓకే, నౌ delete this one. Again I'm going to another sheet here. Okay, so these are the overlook of the SQL commands. Alter command, what is alter? You can change, update, delete, modification, right? Create table, delete table, select, revoke, insert, drop means remove the table. Okay, remove the table, remove the DB. So roll back, get it back. Okay, grant, you can give the permission. Save, you can save point. So you can update by using the update one. Okay, these are the some commands. Now I'm going to. Okay, so this is the suppose I'm writing one query here. Okay, suppose here I'm writing one query. So this is the query. Select first name, last name. These are the identifiers. Okay, identifier means you can call into the SQL or DB below. You can call as a identifiers. See where it is identifier here. These are the identifiers. Okay, black color indicate the identifiers. Okay, identifiers. So just like coming to Tableau, we are called as a, you can call it dimension field, right? Dimension fields. So from this is the customer table, you can call as a data source, right? Now where condition you can apply. So alage on the operator you can apply. Alage this is the check this one also. Okay, select identifiers. Okay, table name. Okay, so here is a where condition, where filter, and so here blue color indicate the keywords, black colors indicate the identifiers. Now here classes. Select, I mean where class, this is the classes, you can call as a class. And also here also these are the identifiers already I said you. And coming to these are the operators. Okay, is equal to, less than, the other operator. So based on this we can identify these are the some important fields. Okay, these are the arithmetic operators. Okay, plus or minus. Okay, comparison operators. So less than, greater than is equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, next logical operator, and or, any between, like in, so those are the comes under the SQL. When you while going to the writing query and the SQL, you can apply the multiple. These are the fields. Okay, now we are going to another sheet. Okay, so this is the SQL environment. Okay, so in the SQL environment, you can go to, this is the navigator bar. Okay, so in the navigator bar, you can able to see this is the admin block and the schema block. Okay, so in the admin block, administrator will be maintain everything. Okay, in the schema block, developer will maintain the schemas. Okay, now this is the result. While tapping here, this is the query, select star from customer. Okay, select Lakshman from customer. So this is the result. If the query is correct, answer is it give the table, enter table. Okay, and this is the main toolbar. Okay, in the main toolbar, so file, edit, something files are there. Okay, this is the main. Then query toolbar, you can apply the, you can save here. Okay, so you can execute files, so open queries. So some toolbars is there. This is like a query toolbar. Then this is the query editor. You can see the multiple queries here. Select statement from where class, everything. Some queries are pre-defined queries. These are okay. And this is the SQL edition. If you need, you can read all the information available in the SQL editions. Okay, and this is the output grid. In the output grid, while tapping the query, so it will give the output here. Okay, output. Likewise, you can everything you can identify. Okay, this is about the slide one. Next, again, I'm going to another slide. See, these are the most important interview point. Okay, this is the most 100% interview. Tell me about the SQL statements. These are the statement. So they are asking, tell me about the other one because SQL idea. So tell me the SQL statement under. Then you are saying first step is you are saying select. Okay, so generally ఈ రెండు గురించి చెప్పరు చాలా మంది, but you have to tell no one. Okay, select from join, so where class. Okay, so group by having, so group by having, okay. And okay, where class group by having order by limit. Likewise, this is the systematic line wise you can say. Okay, suppose I'm asking, please tell me the select statement in MySQL. Then we have to say, okay, line wise. Okay, systematic you can say that. So here I'm saying select. Then I'm going to order by. No, this is the wrong step. Okay, select. I'm going to where or join. So likewise, this is you can follow the systematically line by line, word by word. Okay, so sequence ga మనం చెప్పాలన్నమాట. So you can't jump year to year. So year to year, you can't jump. Okay, just you have to say sequential. This is the select statement. Okay, now and previous class లో నేను ఇవన్నీ మీకు పంపించినట్టున్నాను స్లైడ్స్ అన్ని. మీరు స్టార్టింగ్ లో చూస్తే మీకు కనపడతాయి.
ఓకే అండి, ఓకే.
అలాగే మళ్ళీ మీకు ఇవన్నీ పంపుతాను, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. Now here what is the select statement, from statement, join, where, group by, having, order by, limit. So here this is the select. So select from means select you can table where it is, where it is ఎక్కడ ఉంది table అనేది. So that table belongs to the data warehouse. Okay, data warehouse లో customer table ఉంది, or Amazon table ఉంది, or some engineering data ఉంది. So నేను ఆ table తీసుకోవాలంటే I am using the select. Okay, select star from the table name, customer table, Anand table, Rajesh table. So likewise you can use. Then from means you can use the in between. Okay, select star is the multiple. Okay, and from అంటే ఎక్కడ ఉంది అనేది, ఇక్కడ ఉంది అని చెప్తాను. Now here available in the database, right? Now join. Suppose here I'm taking the Rajesh table and Anand table. I'm going to join the table here. Okay, so this is a table 1, this is a table 2. So here I'm going to this is on the table, this is the Rajesh table, right? So now I'm going to join this table. So now we are going to apply the join condition here. Okay, in the join condition, inner join, previous class lo already cheppam. Okay, inner join, okay, left join, okay, right join, and full outer join. Okay, full outer చేయాలనేది SQL లో sorry Tableau లో వర్క్ అవ్వదన్నమాట. Okay, now coming to where. So where means we can apply the filtering data. So coming to database, Tableau here, in the Tableau, what is the filter? What is the filter column? So there is one filter column. Okay, that is called as a filter self, right? Filter self is column is there na. Okay, అలాగే ఆ ఫిల్టర్ కాలమ్ యూజ్ చేసి మనం డేటాని ఫిల్టర్ చేస్తాం ట్యాబ్లో. సో కమింగ్ టు హియర్ యూ కెన్ అప్లై ది వేర్ కండిషన్. వేర్, సో వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, వేర్ కంట్రీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు స్టే సంథింగ్ ఇండియా. వేర్ salary less than 10,000, where salary greater than 50,000. Okay, likewise you can use. After that you can combine that, so you can group by the fields. So man ela group cheyale, you can write the group by. So next, this is the having filter. So where filter you can apply the dimensional level filters. Okay, dimensions. Okay, dimension will string formats lo ఏదైతే string format లో ఉన్నాయో అక్కడ you can apply the where condition. Coming to having function, you can apply the aggregated values. Okay, aggregated values means aggregated fields means sales, okay, profit, discount, quantity. So other ఏదైనా సరే it has a having, this is the symbolic. సో టాబ్లూలో మనం ఈ సింబల్ చూస్తాం కదా, హ్యాష్ సింబల్. సో ఈ సింబల్ బేస్ చేసుకుని యూ కెన్ అప్లై ద aggregation function. That time you are using the having. Now we are going to order by. So order by means in the coming to Tableau side, it will show the likewise here one symbolic ascending order, descending order, like. So same as here I can apply the ascending order and descending order and the descending order. Next limp. In the limp, suppose I have 1,000 files. Okay, so I have a 1,000 file in my table. So in the table I want to display the starting 10. Then I am applying the limit. Okay, you can write the query limit to 10. Now it will display the only 10, first 10 display. Likewise you can use the, this is the queries, select statement and meanings. Okay, I will send this now to your WhatsApp group. So now you can crack everything. Okay, so just 10 to 15 minutes you have to read all these steps. You can understand what is the query, what is the select statement, where class, everything you can understand. Now I'm going to here. Everything I drop you. Here I'm going to Lakshman SQL. Where is Lakshman? Okay, these are SQL. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, these are the SQL, right? Okay, I sent you all the JPG format. You can read it. Okay, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes only. Then you have to read all the statements, all the JPG formats which I sent to you. Okay, now I'm going to here. Now I'm writing the queries here. So before going to queries, you can upload the database into the, you can take the record into the here also. Okay, so in the already these are the free. Okay, now that is the query. Now we are going to discuss SQL queries or SQL questions. So this is the only, this is also option to you. Okay, now we are going to now. So here this is the database. Okay, again I'm close this one, open MySQL. Already installation code in one previous class. Use some more. Then you have to enter your password. So now I'm entering my password is enter. So sorry. Okay, now I enter my password which I given last time. Okay, this is the tables. Okay, in the table already we discussed, this is the administrator block. The admin will be maintained. This is the schema, right? So schema will be going to use the Tableau developer or SQL developer use chestuntaru, right? This is the output. This is the query editor. You can write the query here. So this is the SQL additions, and these are the menu bar, toolbars. Okay, query. This is the query toolbar, right? Likewise, you can see the all the information previous class. Now I'm going here. So this is the in the schemas you have to create a schemas. Okay. So how to create schema? So previously I created the schema, right? Create database name is tableau. So now I'm creating again. I'm going to delete this one. So if you delete the schema, how you can delete? Just right click on this, now drop the schema. Okay, this is the drop means delete. Okay, it will delete the entire table, right? Entire database. Now drop the schema. Now it will be going to the delete tableau. Okay, so now only secular sys wall is present. These are given by the default given the SQL workbench. Now I'm going to another one. So just click that this one. Okay, this is the query editor, right? Query editor. And then now I'm creating here some database, some schema, or else you can create one schema. Now I'm creating one schema, right? Now create the data, just like you can give the database name, database. Okay, this is the syntax for the database. Now our given name is tableau, right? Okay, tableau. Okay, this is the create and database. This is the syntax for the tableau. మనము ఒక స్కీమా క్రియేట్ చేయాలంటే database క్రియేట్ చేయాలంటే these are the syntax. Now run this one. So it will be okay. Now check it will be create or not. What happened here? Now semicolon. Okay, run this one. What happened here? Create database. Exit. Refresh. Okay, so already create this. Okay, got it. This is the tableau. Okay, already second time on enter చేసాం కాబట్టి now run this one. So this is the file. Cannot create database. Tableau database exists. Already ఉంది, మళ్ళీ create చేయలేము అంటున్నాను. Suppose here I'm going to create Lakshman. Okay, now run this one. So now refresh here. Okay, now it will display the Lakshman. Okay, suppose again I'm create database. Now here I'm creating Rajesh. Okay, Rajesh. Now run this one. Okay, so refresh it will display the Rajesh. Now create here Anand. So Anand. Okay, now run this file, it will be so created. Then refresh it. Okay, Anand. So likewise how to delete. So delete drop. Just here now we are using this. Okay, delete drop schema. So delete drop schema or drop now. Okay, delete database now. So simply మనం ఇక్కడ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ డేటాబేస్ లోకి వెళ్ళి జస్ట్ క్రియేట్ కనెక్షన్ డేటాబేస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద డేటాబేస్ అకౌంట్. ఓకే, సో ఇలా క్లిక్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ న్యూ స్కీమా అని ఏమడుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ మనం క్వరీ లెవెల్లో క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అలాగే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తాము, విజువలైజేషన్ లో GUI మెథడ్ లో కూడా క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ లో మనం ఏం చెప్పామంటే SQL లో 2 types query editor, right? SQL లో 2 types query editors అని చెప్పాము, గుర్తుందా లేదా? ఓకే, వన్ ఈస్ కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ లో కమాండ్ ఎడిటర్, CMI ఎడిటర్ లో అండ్ GUI ఎడిటర్ లో. ప్రెసెంట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు GUI ఎడిటర్ లో పనిచేస్తున్నాం. సో ఇదంతా GUI మీన్స్ గ్రాఫికల్ యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్. CMD మీన్స్ కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్. జస్ట్ లైక్ బ్లాక్ కలర్ వస్తే వీఆర్ ట్యాపింగ్ హియర్ queries. So here I'm going to GUI method. Okay, now so already I create this one, no need to require. Okay, so after creating we have to use that schema. మనం the schema use చేయాలి. Suppose I'm creating here, I'm creating only tableau. In the tableau, so I am using this one. Okay, so here multiple schemas is there. This is the schema, this is the schema, this is the schema. So but now I'm going to use the tableau. That time you are using the use command, use tableau. Okay, tableau, right? First command is create database. Now I'm creating database, right? Lakshman or Laksh, create this, right? Semicolon, run this time. Okay, run. Then refresh here. It will create the Lakshman tab. Okay, now second query is I am working on the Lakshman. I am going to working on to the Tableau. Okay, that's the point. I'm use Tableau. Okay, Tableau. So this is the Tableau, right? Tableau. Likewise, Lakshman. Okay, Tableau అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఈ database యూజ్ చేస్తాం. So ఈ database లో can insert the table. Okay, now. Okay, now I'm going to again semicolon run this. Okay, run this. So now we are going to work in the Tableau. Lakshman కాదు, just మీకు ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ కోసం చెప్పాను ఇది. So now I'm going to use the Lakshman here. So right click here in the Tableau. So set as a default schema. Then it will be changed here. Schema name is Tableau. Suppose here I'm going to right click on this, set as a schema, it will display the Lux. Suppose I'm going to Secular. Now set as a schema, Secular. Now we are going to working on the Secular file. Okay, same as likewise we can go into the Tableau, right? Okay, so this is the Tableau. In the Tableau, you can upload the tables. Here no tables available, right? So coming to sys tables are available. These are the tables. Are coming to Sakila. So these are the tables, multiple tables. So you can work on that. You can develop the queries in this. Okay. Same as now I'm going to Tableau. Previous class endi chepparu. Next this is the okay. So table, right click on the table data import wizard. Okay, this is a browser. You can see this is the browser. Okay, browse, and I'm going to desktop. Here this is the customer table, right? Which I created previously. I created this table. So you should convert into the Excel to CSV file. Okay, you should convert into the Excel to CSV file. Okay, click here. Now I'm going to open this one. So next, and it will display the what is the data type available in the our sheet, our table. Okay, these are the data types. Okay, field types. Again, now going to next. So now next, so next, finish. Okay, just refresh this. Okay, refresh, and in the Tableau you can okay, this is the Tableau. So in the drop down, click here. This is the customer table. Okay, this is the customer. Now we are writing query. Okay, this is the customer. So what are the fields? What are the column values? What are the data fields available in the customer table? You can see how you can see. Already I said you can select the select statement, right? So you can write the select statement here. Now I'm going to write the select. So better to write the keywords capital letter. You can use the uppercase. Okay, this is the case sense. So no worries, SQL is the case sense. You can write small letters, capital letter. But for the client understanding purpose, this is the keyword, this is the identifier, this is the where class, this is the operator, and the identification also you can write the capital letters, uppercase. Now I'm writing the select. Okay, this is the query. Okay, select from. Now I'm going to use star. Okay, star. Okay, select start from. Okay, these are the keywords. So star means it will display the entire table. So entire table means in the customer table lo unnatuvanti all the fields ni display chestunnadu star ante. From ante table nunchi a table table, right? This is the table or customer table. Now just I am going to drag and drop the customer name. What happened here? See. Okay, this is the customer table. Okay, now sorry. Just simply drag and drop and everything. Going to fast work here. You can't type here. Okay. Now run this one. So it will display the entire list of the data fields in the customer table. Okay. Got it? Edit out in this. Okay. Now I'm going to 1 second. Good. So this is the select statement. Okay. You can write the query. Star means multiple. It will display the when ఈ columns అన్ని display చేయడానికి you can use the star command, right? Okay, you can use star. Okay, now so here from means table ఎక్కడ నుంచి, so where ఎక్కడ నుంచి, so ఇక్కడ ఈ table సో ఇలా మనం queryని అండర్స్టాండింగ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Okay, this is the query. Now I'm going to write another one. Okay, so now I want to display here first name and last name, right? Now I want to display here first name and the last name here. Here I'm going to display the first name and last name. So here check it out. Okay, now I'm going to select. I'm going to write the query. if not, you can just copy paste here. Okay, simply can write the copy paste here. Now I've removed this one star. So I want to display the first name. So just simply drag and drop in the first name, right? Just simply drag and drop. And in between the integers, I mean string format, you can give the column, right? Comma. Okay, you can put the comma. Okay, and now my query is here. My query is I want to display the first name, last name in my customer table. Now run this one. Okay, this is the first name, last name. Here I want to display the country. Now I'm going to select again. Now copy paste here. Okay, now I want to display here only country. Okay, country. So it will display the only country. So what happened? Query. Now I'm going to give the. So that's the point. Just simply drag and drop into the query into the here. Okay, now run this one. Select country, something error na. Okay, likewise I'm going to take another one. Now I'm going to first name here and comma. Now I'm going to country here. What happened? We'll check it. Okay, so yeah, sorry. Okay, now it will display the what happened here. Again, I'm going to do the here. I'm remove this one. Okay, I want display the first name here. Okay, yeah, it will display the first name. So like one, you can do the everything. Okay, at evening at tomorrow classes, we are going to the direct queries. Okay, task one. So here nearby 40 questions ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 40 questions మనం అయితే ఈవినింగ్ లేకపోతే రేపు మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్ లో మనం 40 questions కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. సో రేపు మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్ లో మనం 40 questions అన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేసేలాగా ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం. ఓన్లీ మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్ లో. సో 40 minutes లో 40 questions కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం. జస్ట్ వెరీ స్మాల్ స్టెప్స్ ఈజీగా అర్థమైపోతుంది కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం. అంటే ఈ రోజు క్లాసు రేపు మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్ తోటి సీక్వెల్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, 40% కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. Then I send to the documents and I send to the videos to you. So you have to do the you have to see the all the videos and follow the what I'm saying to you. Okay, and now I'm going to stop the record. Do you have any doubt?